Welcome here to the third section. I have to say I'm very impressed that you've made it all the way to here. Now if you've just joined in, then I'm just very glad that you've joined in here. In this section here, in the third section, here is where the actual editing and post-processing will happen. In the first and the second section, that's where we've learned all those techniques and tools, and here in the third section, that's where we're gonna go and apply them really. So we're gonna take photos from start to finish, and we're gonna use all those tools and techniques, but of course we're also gonna learn a whole range of new techniques and tools on each photo that we're editing. So in the end, your toolbox of tools and techniques will just be incredible big. I'm gonna take my time with each photo because we're really gonna take from the start into Lightroom and then take them into Photoshop, and I really apply all the adjustments and everything, and I'm really gonna try to make the photo as best as I can. And one last thing that I want to add here is each photo that I'm editing, you don't have to go and edit your photos the exact same way as I do. The thing what I'm just doing is I'm showing you the adjustments, I'm showing you the possibilities, I'm showing you the tools and the techniques. I'm not asking you to go and edit your photos the same exact way as I do. That's not the point of this. The point is that you just, I mean, you definitely might take some things that you like what I do, of course. But the point is that you just go, when we are editing those photos, just look how I edit, and I want you to really think about it, what I'm doing, and I want you to really say to yourself like, all right, I like this, what he's doing, but I don't like that. I would do that differently, and I would do this and this differently. So try to really be an observer here. Try to really see what I'm doing and try to really think about what you would do differently. So that's the whole point now with this editing and post-processing here in the third section. I'm showing you it all, but you have to go and think as an individual yourself of what you would do to create your own style. And having just all that said, let's go and jump into the third section and let's start editing and post-processing our photos.